Baby Bus!
Mini episode on safety with Rainbow Explorers.
Wow! There's a ground fountain in Rainbow Square!
Gee, Marcus, the fountain is beautiful!
Look, guys, you can see a small rainbow in the fountain spray. Let's go, Rainbow Explorers! Let's see who can make it across the ground fountain first! Wait for us, Captain Giddy!
That's dangerous! Stop, kids!
Sheriff Lala, my shoe was blown away.
Oh no! Little Zebra's shoe was blown off by the column of water from the ground fountain and flew up to the sky!
If we ran through the fountain, would our shoe be sprayed off like that too?
It's possible.
That's scary!
Kids, fountains can be dangerous. If you play near them, you could get hurt by the water or even be lifted into the air and fall.
That sounds scary!